The teacher wrote one sentence on the board. Today's test will decide your future. Everyone laughed, except one boy. His name was Adam. Adam sat in the last bench near the broken window, quiet, invisible, forgotten. Teachers thought he was slow. Students thought he was boring. Adam thought nothing, because Adam had a secret. Every time he closed his eyes in class, he saw things before they happened. Not clearly, just flashes. That morning, when the teacher spoke, Adam saw something strange. The classroom disappearing. At first, he ignored it. The test papers were handed out, pens scratched. Time moved fast. Suddenly, the bell rang, but no one moved. Adam looked around. The students were frozen, mid-blink, mid-breath. The teacher stood still, chalk in the air. Only Adam could move. Then the classroom door opened. But outside wasn't the hallway. It was another classroom. Old wooden desks, golden sunlight, and a blackboard with glowing letters. Welcome to the second class. Adam stood up. His heart pounded. He walked through the door. The moment he entered, the door closed behind him. A woman stood near the board. She looked young and ancient at the same time. "You are late," she said calmly. Adam swallowed. "Where am I?" She smiled. "A classroom that appears only once in a lifetime." Adam looked around. Other students sat quietly. He recognized them. A girl who failed exams, a boy who dropped out, a student who disappeared years ago. "They were invisible," Adam whispered. "Yes," the woman replied, "and so were you." Adam felt cold. What is this place? The woman wrote on the board, "Lesson 1. The world does not wait." She turned to Adam. "You can see the future," she said, "but you never act." Adam froze. "How do you know?" She walked closer. "Because fear keeps you quiet." The classroom changed. The walls showed images. Adam saw himself in the future, still quiet, still ignored, still sitting at the back. His chest hurt. "I don't want that," he said softly. The woman nodded. "Then learn." The bell rang. Lesson after lesson passed. Not math, not science, life. They taught him how silence becomes regret, how courage is a decision, how one raised hand can change everything. Days felt like minutes. Finally, the woman said, "It's time." The classroom faded. Adam felt himself falling. He slammed his eyes open. The test paper was still in front of him. The class was normal. The teacher looked up. "Any last answers?" she asked. Adam's heart raced. The future flashed again. This time, it was different. Adam raised his hand. The room went silent. The teacher looked surprised. "Yes, Adam?" Adam stood. His voice shook at first. Then it didn't. He answered, correctly. The teacher stared. Students whispered. Something changed. After class, the teacher stopped him. "Why didn't you speak before?" she asked. Adam smiled slightly. "I was in the wrong classroom." That night, Adam slept peacefully. He never saw the second classroom again, but he didn't need to, because he had learned the most important lesson. Magic doesn't change the future. Courage does. And sometimes school teaches you more than books.